Set x consists of 8 consecutive integers. So my first one's x. Okay, that's my first integer. And to get it, since we're dealing with consecutive, the next one would be x plus 1. And then the next one will be x plus, take this one and add one more to it, and that's going to give you x plus 2. And on down, you've got 7 of them. And it says set y consists of all the integers that result from adding 4 to each of the integers in set x. So add 4 to x plus 4. Add 4 to this one, and you get that. Add 4 to x plus 2, and you get this, and continue on down. So add 4, and you get x plus 11. And it says, and what? All the integers that result from subtracting 4 from each of the integers in set x. So I'm going to change colors. So take x, this one, subtract 4, that gives you x minus 4. And now take x plus 1, this one, and subtract 4, and you get x minus 3. Continue on down. Of course, when you get to this one, x plus 4 minus 4 is just going to give you an x. X plus 5 minus 4 is going to give you x plus 1. And then x plus 6 minus 4, is going to give you this one. And then x plus 7 minus 4 is x plus 3. How many more integers are there in set y than in set x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after looking back at this, you don't have to do all this work. I wanted to show you how it is. Just think. It tells you you have 8 integers to start with. 8 integers. It tells me to do something to them in set y. It says add 4. So then you know you got the same number in x and y. And then it says, do something else, subtract 4. Well, that's where you're going to have the additional numbers, and you know there's going to be 8 extra ones. But I still want to show you how it worked.